Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribes to my channel. Today we will talk about top 10 highest paid jobs. 1. Data scientist. Companies have a lot of disparate data that they cannot make sense of. This data can be used to get valuable insights, and data scientists help to do exactly that. Data scientists gather large amounts of structured and unstructured data and analyze them to develop valuable insights and patterns. By extrapolating and sharing these insights, data scientists help companies to solve difficult problems. They combine computer science, modeling, statistics, analytics, and math skills to uncover the answers to some major questions that can help organizations make decisions. 2. Senior software engineer. A senior software engineer has many different responsibilities in a company. They range from testing and documenting software for client applications, guiding junior engineers, and translating business requirements into technical specifications. They also have to manage project priorities and timelines. Software engineers is one of the highest paying jobs in the world, and they work in almost all sectors today because of the influx of technology across all the fields of modern industry. Be it retail, healthcare, research and development, business, IT/IDS, government agencies, defense, Army, Navy, Air Force, insurance, banking or finance, every industry has an opening and requirement for software engineers. 3. Investment banker. Investment bankers are financial advisors to corporations or even governments. They are responsible for helping companies and other such entities raise money for expansion and improvement. They are also needed to manage a company's initial public offering, IPO, for a company preparing to go public. Furthermore, they might also be required to prepare a bond offering, negotiate a merger or acquisition of a rival company, or arrange a private placement of bonds. Investment bankers tend to flourish if their clients are doing well as the market. 4. Chief Executive Officer. A chief executive officer is the highest executive position in a company and also one of the highest paid jobs. CEOs are responsible for determining and handling the company's corporate affairs, making crucial corporate decisions, managing resources, and supervising all managerial operations like coordinating, planning, and directing the activities at the highest level. CEO is also the company's face and is chosen by the company's board of directors and shareholders. CEOs are responsible for directing the growth of the company. They set the tone, vision, and culture of a company, be it big or small. Being a CEO is challenging, time-consuming, and the company's field endeavor. So be prepared to put in the hours if you plan to pursue this field. 5. Surgeon. Surgeons are highly regarded medical professionals who are required to perform advanced procedures on patients. Surgeons must undergo years of education and on-the-job training to operate independently on patients. Surgeons can divide their work into 2 parts: office hours and operative hours. During office hours, they meet with patients, figure out the best treatment option for the patient, and discuss the patient and staff procedure. They also need to check in on the patient's post-operation. During operative hours, surgeons need to stand long hours in the operating room and work extended shifts without losing focus. Being a surgeon is not a career for the faint-hearted because of the extremely demanding nature of this job. 6. Anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologists are trained physicians who have special training in preoperative care. This is one of the highest-paying jobs in the world. They play a very important role in a surgical procedure, as they must ensure that the patient receives the correct type and correct dosage of anesthesia while under the scalpel. Not just this, they have to monitor the patient's vitals during the procedure and ensure that they are unconscious while in surgery. They are also responsible for assisting a patient's recovery by monitoring their pain medication. 7. Physician. Physicians diagnose and treat the various diseases and ailments that affect the human body's internal organs. Physicians can be categorized into 2 different categories: general practitioners and specialist physicians. General practitioners are the points of contact for people normally. They have a wide knowledge of different topics and devise a treatment plan for you. In case of ailments they do not recognize or which require special attention, they might refer you to specialist physicians. These doctors can specialize in various areas like cardiology, sports medicine, infectious disease, geriatrics, and many more. Specialist physicians have extensive knowledge in the area they specialize in. 8. Neurosurgeon. A neurosurgeon is the highest paying job in the world. Neurosurgeons are specially trained to diagnose and surgically treat central and peripheral nervous system disorders. In today's world, it is the most in-demand medical profession, so extensive training and education are needed. 9. Oral and maxillofacial surgeon. The profession of oral and maxillofacial surgeons is somewhat different from normal dentists. Their main job is to perform surgical procedures on the face, mouth, and jaw. They mainly focus on hard and soft tissues. The importance of this career is that it provides an opportunity to help other people whilst being financially rewarded. This cannot be said for all the career paths on our list. 10. Gynecologist. A doctor who specializes in female reproductive health is known as gynecologist. Their main concern is to diagnose and treat the female reproductive tract. The uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, and breasts all are included in his treatment area. Anyone having female organs may visit a gynecologist. As per the record, it is found that nearly 80% who are visiting gynecologists are aged between 15 to 45 years. Gynecologists are reproductive and sexual health services providers, including Pap tests, pelvic exams, testing and treatment for vaginal infections, and cancer screenings. They are specialists in diagnosing and giving treatment for reproductive system disorders such as infertility, pelvic pain, endometriosis, and ovarian cysts. They also take care of people with ovarian, cervical, and other reproductive cancers. Some gynecologists who specialize in obstetrics are called OB-GYNs. They are responsible for taking care of women during pregnancy and childbirth. What do you think of my video? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video.